sorry about that recording. Sorry about that recording stop. So I'm back again. I can only record 10 minutes. I just found out. So just AFK this. I got 2.1k. I need 400. No, we lost essence mine. No, lads, keep essence. There you go. No, lads, keep essence. Let's be. I was on dark on the other server, and it didn't go too well. I was doing rubbish. Houses were glitched and stuff like that. Oh no, lads. Lads, look. Lads. No. No, lads. Not very good. No, lads. No, lads. Not very good. Not very good, lads. Control by light. That's what I like. That's what I like a lot. Let's be player. Almost got it. That is a beautiful sun. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. You just stole that when I used chest plate, Josh Posh. Josh Posh, yeah. Give me that back. You deserve it. He has it. He has it. There. You stupid Josh Posh. So when I get to 2.5, I have enough for everything, I believe. Oh! Let's get out of here. They're literally storming. Come on, Doc! Doc, fight back! Run! I've got 2.5k. I need to get out of here. They're running, lads. Let's go. I need to go. Come on! I got out, lads. I got out. Buy my house? 93987. 93987. So I got my house. I got my house. Slash warp. I'm gonna go to wilderness and see if I can place my house. Whoa! I feel funny inside. 2, 1. Yeah, you can see my. Oh shoot! I need to go up here to place my house. I think I can place it up here, hopefully, because you can edit a train. This would be a perfect place for my house, though. Wouldn't it? Because I've got like trees around me, a nice pond where I can go fishing. This is beautiful. If it'll let me place my house, because there was a glitch where you can't place your house. Sneak right click with your bed. It's going up. It's going in the water. Beautiful. Beautiful. It's already starting construction. Choose good. So is this my house? Whoa! Lads. Lads. Iron. Right, let's go, lads, quick. Lads. So now I think it's going to start building my house. Hopefully. Like little bits around, but let's just wait for my house. Just kits. I can't see any of these, literally. Where's my house? Start my house building. Oh, what? Oh, here we go. My house is building. Look, lads. Lads, it's beautiful. My entrance is down there. My entrance is in the water, but who cares? These people have to swim to get into my base. This is beautiful. No longer... We have a home! We have a home! The title of the video is We Have a Home. Room construction. Oh my god, lads. This is beautiful. Yes, boys. So this is going to be the end of this video. If you enjoyed this, a second. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and if you want to see more, everything you want to do. So yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next video.